How to add columns to a monday.com board. So first go to your monday.com here, dashboard, and then just click on your workspace. Choose any of your workspace here. I'll just choose this one, and then click on your board here. Okay, now once you're here, you can look from these items here. You can see a plus icon here at the right side. You can see then just click on it, and now you can choose any of the columns here that you want. If you want more columns, just click here and choose any one here. So if you want to search for a column here, you can search one here as well. Let's search for status column. So you can see now status column here. So just click on this one to add it, and there you go. Now you have a status column. You can just customize it if you want, and you can also add column here for the completed if you want. It's the same thing. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.